lives on things that matter most. Things that will lift your spirit and inspire your soul in the future. Booyah!
Respect is everything in our culture, and that respect is also recorded on this tattoo. This whole thing here is called the mano fie, is a rite of passage, also prepare the man to become a chief. The last spot they tattoo is your puke, or your belly button, and is a constant reminder to the men to always respect the women, especially mommy. This was your connection to her before you were born. So you must honor and respect that connection for the rest of her life. Think about it, that woman carries you around for 9 months, making sure nothing bad happens to you. And when you grow up, it is your duty to return that favor and take care of that woman for the rest of her life. So if you're here with your mom, turn to her right now and say, I'm sorry. From now on, I will do better. And clean my room, do the dishes. When I grow up, I will get a good job and give you my whole paycheck. Can I have all the moms to stand up, please? All the moms or the future moms, please stand up. Please give them a big hand, guys. Thank you so much. Have a seat. Guys, they look tired. Give them a break, give them the credit card so they can go and have fun with it. Ships on your mark, get set, begin. Fa-i, bo, 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 bo. Come on, give it, come in. Wow, look at that. Popo family made fire, Pai family made fire. Everybody's happy. How about a big hand for our men? Now we're going to make a bigger fire. We use some of this dry coconut husk. Get your cameras ready. Let me know when you're ready. There's only 2 people ready.
Ready?
Everybody ready?
Right.
Aloha,
finish of the bridge, we'll give you 3 days of luck, okay? Just 3 days of luck, 3 minutes of luck, guys. Every bridge here was standing here for about 60 years. So it already has the mana to give you some luck if you need it so, guys. No one gets left behind, so take a look at your family, your loved ones, and say, hello, my life jacket. Hello, my life jacket.
3, 2, 1, go! Down together, together, down together, right, down together, left, down together, both. Hey!
Roses.